All right, so now we're going to kind of use a combination of techniques that we've been doing. So sometimes when factoring a polynomial with 4 terms, we get a factor that can be factored further using methods that we have just learned. So here we got y to the 6th minus 9, y to the 4th plus 2, y squared minus 18. So one of the things we like to try to do sometimes is when we get like groups, especially like even numbers of variables or 4, is try to do that factoring by groups. So I'm going to pair these two together, and I see I can take y to the 4th out, and I'd be just left with y squared minus 9. Well, here I can take 2 out, and I'm left with y squared minus 9 as well. So if I factor out y squared minus 9, because that is now a common binomial term, I'm left with y to the 4 plus 2. This part can't be factored any further. One, we don't have squares, and also we have a plus. But this one can, because this is a difference of squares. So this is really just y squared minus 3 squared. So we could factor this into y minus 3, y plus 3, and then we have y to the 4th plus 2. So take a moment, try 19. So also you're going to try that factoring by groups. So be careful here because we got that negative. So when you factor out, you got to consider what's going to happen to a positive when you factor a negative from it. So once again, we're doing some groups here. So from both of these, I can take out an x squared, which is going to leave behind an x minus 3. So believe it or not, both of these, 16 and 48, are both divisible by 16. Now, if I just took out 16, I'd be left with negative x plus 3, which doesn't mean means we're not going to have the same terms here. So what I'm going to do is notice that negative, I'm going to factor out negative 16. So negative 16 from negative 16, x leaves just x. 48, take away or divided by that negative 16 leaves negative 3. You factor out the 3x, we're left with x squared minus 16. So we get 3x here. And then this is just x squared minus 4 squared, a difference of squares again. This ends up being x minus 3, x plus 4, x minus 4.